At St. Louis Children's Hospital, young patients face some of life's biggest challenges. But for one former patient, those challenges became a calling.
Bite down all the way.
Today, as Dr. Kamlesh Patel meets with his 18-year-old patient, Jack Lofton,
And on this side,
there's an extra set of eyes in the room. Eyes that have seen this all before.
yeah, it's pretty soft.
Riley Kruse knows exactly what Jack is going through. Born 2 months early in 2005, Riley's medical journey began before she even left the NICU. She was born with a condition called hemifacial microsomia.
Hemifacial microsomia can, in most cases, involve the jaw, meaning one side of the jaw is a little bit smaller, and you can have variations of that between just a bit smaller versus segments that are missing.
And for Riley, it was just the beginning. A golf ball-sized brain tumor and a weak heart led to more than 20 surgeries before she was 5 months old.
And you can see when we just do the lower jaw.
Fast forward to 2019 when 17-year-old Riley met Dr. Patel.
I'm sure all the scar tissue is hard to work around.
Yeah.
His innovative approach for her hemifacial microsomia would change her life.
Everyone doesn't get the same operation. You know, you have to tailor it based on everyone's anatomy. And the beauty of now is that we can actually create patient-specific implants, patient-specific, jaw replacement implants as well.
In a 14-hour operation, Dr. Patel and his team implanted a full titanium jaw, a first for Children's Hospital, and the road to recovery wasn't easy.
It was hard. It was a hard, probably 6 months after. The recovery was nothing like I've ever experienced.
But Riley powered through.
When was the last time you had any drainage from that?
Now she's in college, pre-med, shadowing the very doctor who changed her life.
Some people you can do amoxicillin. And
I
that helps.
truly just feel like I was called to become a doctor and change lives like mine has been changed.
How was your scars healing?
Now as Jack prepares for his surgery,
It was tender, sore, they're tight.
Riley's presence is a beacon of hope.
Look at her, she's great, she's happy, she, is glad she did this. So we were just kind of put at peace when we met her.
After I could eat, I started checking things off.
Just having someone that's my age, someone that knows what I've done, and someone that can put it in words that I understand better, it definitely helps me just process information a little bit better.
In a world where scars often tell stories of pain, Riley's tell a different tale, one of resilience and hope.
If you're going through a surgery or anything, that you will always come out on the other end and be able to inspire others, and that God has made them this way for a reason and that they should embrace it. The physical therapist told me to massage them.
One young lady showing that the best medicine doesn't come from a bottle, but from a friend who's walked the same path.
The sky's the limit.